Welcome to the third floor of our new listing here in Xavier Estates, Phase 4. So this is a 3-story house with a unique layout located in front of the open space and parks and playgrounds. So this here is the master bedroom. This is the biggest bedroom. It has the most windows as well, and it overlooks the park across it. And of course, it comes with built-in cabinets already. And it also has its own toilet and bath. And then let's check out the 2 other bedrooms, also located on the first floor. So there are 2 bedrooms on this side, similar in size. So this is the 2nd bedroom on the 2nd floor. And then there's also another bedroom, on the 3rd floor. And this is the 3rd bedroom on the 3rd floor, which is located right beside toilet and bath. For the full tour of this property, you can head on to our YouTube channel.